Desire for physical pleasure is nature's conspiracy to promote her agenda, which is to keep the soul tied to the body, mind, physical senses, and all the hardships and sufferings of the world, while forcing male and female to initiate a process of the creation of a new body and to help perpetuate the process of evolution. Indeed, are the ones, blessed are the few wise human beings who have found a way to consciously extract themselves from all erotic feelings and thoughts and fly free of this conspiracy by nature. Those who are able to permanently transmute and transcend this great conspiracy will eventually find themselves filled with a profound joy and inner freedom so awesome that it would seem quite stupid to ever go back to the former way of life that's so limiting, so self destructive.